Hey guys, welcome back to Chaos Holly. Today we are opening up a Japanese mystery box. So this little quite heavy mystery box I got off eBay. I think it was about £25 including the shipping. Now all it said on the description was my partner wants me to throw these out but they're too good to throw out. So I was like, hold on, I've seen some Pocket Monsters there, so I'm like, damn, I've got to get that. So if by any sort of miracle you were the person who sold me this, thank you so much, you're a legend. And without further ado, let's have a look in this and see. Everything appears to be in top loaders. It doesn't look like anything's actually in sleeves, but it's all in top loaders. So let's try and get everything out of here. Oh, there is some English. We have got English stuff in here. I'm just going to pretty much load this up into piles, as this is just going to be a little bit of a mixture, and then we can see what we have got to play with, really. So I'm going to start over here. Whooper, nice, 2010. So I will try and go through these a bit quicker. Some of these, just looking at them, are actually newer stuff. So some of them aren't going to be worth as much. Nice. Nice little Neo card there. I think that's Neo. Yeah, Neo first set. So I've got one at the back there. I got a Lugia. Raticate base set 2. Copycat. Corsola. Growlithe. Oh, that's a cute artwork. I like that. Blissey. Oh, Neo Giraffic. Neo Granbull. Zygarde. Reverse holographic Gyarados. And Revitalizer. What else have we got here? Paris, Donphan, Mantine, Jigglypuff, Clefairy. I love that artwork. Staryu, base set 2 Diglett. Ah, Team Rocket Dark Flareon, if only that was holographic. Fossil, Horsey, Neo card. Ekans from Fossil, Neo, more Neo, Shuckle Neo, and we've got English Coffin, Sandile, and a Crobat. Cool, there's some really old little gems in here. Let's have a look. Neo stuff. Now, I do not know if there's any holographics or anything in these, but I just thought, when I seen the Pocket Monsters, I thought, you know what, it's too good not to get it and just see, really. White Kieran, Klefki, Focus Slash, Tangela, Yveltal, that's from Generations, I believe, Blastodon, Banette, Ponyta, Diancie, again from Generations, Marill and Spinarak. I'm surprised none of these really are in sleeves, to be fair, but at least they're in top loaders. Togekiss, Quillfish, Igglybuff, Slowbro, Metapod, Hoot Hoot. Oh, Elekid from Neo. Oh, little baby Magmar. How cute is that? Totodile, Natu, another Natu, Lantern, one of the trainer cards from Neo, Neo Discovery, I believe that one is from. And the same with this one for Tyrogue. Fossil, Slowpoke, and a Neo Slowpoke. That's really bizarre artwork. Base set 2 Poliwhirl, Jungle Lickitung, Jungle Pikachu, Fossil Slowpoke, Team Rocket Drowsy. That one's got a lot of black marks and things, but condition-wise on the back's not too bad. Fossil, Moo Milk, Pokegear, Drowsy, Vulpix, Totodile, Phanpy, Ninja Boy, oh, Team Rocket Charmander, Azelf, Caterpie, Slowbro. That's a nice card from 2010. If you guys know what set this is, I'm not too sure. I want to say Heart Gold, Soul Silver, that sort of thing. I may be completely wrong. Zubat, Donphan, Metapod, and that's another recent one for Green's Exploration. Let's move those out the way. Let's get onto this big stack. Oh, which one's this from? Is this... This looks like the old Secret Rare version. Or is that the promo version? Because we've got that in Evolutions. More Neo stuff. Sudowoodo. Oh, Fluffy. Teddiursa. Wooper. Apom. Ladybar. Swinub. Mareep, that's cute, from Neo Discovery. Phanpy. Spinarak, that's really random artwork, but it's kind of cool. More Neo stuff. That's a really strange trainer card. It's cool though, I like it, it's different. Cyndaquil. Nice, there's just a nice variety of stuff here. I'm quite pleased with this for, what, 25 quid. Let's keep going. There's a lot of Neo in here, which is cool. I like that. Oh, that's a cute trainer card. Noctowl, 2 of those. Weedle. Builds up to no good. Now, was this one of the artworks which never came out in English? Not sure. I've got a feeling I haven't seen that one though. So I've got a feeling it could be. Feraligatr. Nice, and the condition of these cards again is literally minty. These are minty fresh ones. Come on then, we'll have you as you just jumped out. Fishing Rod from Neo, Fossil, Pokemon Communication, Bill, Jinx, Chikorita, Golbat from Fossil, Seeking Base Set 2, Jungle Spearow, Ladybar, Hoppip, Smoochum, I like that artwork, that's quite a cool artwork. And another Neo trainer card there in Japanese. Oh, we're running out of space here, guys. So we've got a Pokeball, Sentret, Coffin, Slowpoke, Mareep, Meowth, Snubble. It's a Neo Togepi. I love it. Mareep. And a Wooper from Neo Discovery. Last lot, guys. Let's move these ones out of the way to create a little bit more space. Now, I'm hoping there is some hollows in here. I really am. But if not, we have got a lot for our money, to be fair. Hoppip from Neo. There's loads of Neo. Marill, Pikachu Libra. That's 2016. Nice, I like that. That is really cool. Oh, here we go, guys. Flareon EX. Oh, my days. What condition is this in? This looks like to be in pretty good condition. Slowking. Oh, look at these. Look at them all. Random energy in there. Heracross. Nice. Look at the foil pattern on there. We have got a Steelix for alligator. Oh, a Togetic. That looks very similar to my light Togetic back here, but it's just a different set. Ampharos! Guys, you know I love me an Ampharos. And another Ampharos. Hello. Neo. Oh, and a Skarmory. Right, what's in these last few ones then? Moo Moo Milk from E-Series. Oh, Pikachu EX. Neo. Neo Discovery. More Neo. Neo Trainers. Murkrow Neo. Oh, I feel like this is never going to end. This is amazing. Oddish. Xatu. Oh, Miltank. Pikachu. Fossil. Psyduck. Jumpluff. I believe this one may be either one of like the McDonald's range ones, which are out now currently in the UK. I think Charizard from Generations, Venusaur EX. Ooh, I like that one. Nice holographic. Azumarill, Croconaw, Giraffic, Onyx, and finishing it off with a Psyduck. But this is from either Gym Heroes or Gym Challenge, not 100% sure. Anyway guys, a little bit of a different video there for you. To be honest, for what I paid for that mystery box, I'm pretty happy with what we've got. And it's nice to see that they're all in top loaders. Yes, they're not in sleeves, but they are all in top loaders. So the condition of the majority of them are pretty good. So I may have to think about doing some PSA send-offs now. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see some more mystery box openings, then let me know down in the comment section down below, and I'm more than happy to do more of these for you. I'm looking at trying to do some more vintage stuff as well when the funds are there, you know, as this can be a very pricey thing with all these vintage stuff. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video and enjoyed it, please do leave a like down below. Leave a good old thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then become part of the Chaos Army. We are so close to getting 100 subscribers. I'm hoping to smash that this year and just carry on growing the channel as much as we can. As always guys, stay safe, have fun, carry on gaming, and I'll catch you next time.